Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and fellow seekers of personal growth, I stand before you today to share a profound truth. Each morning presents us with an opportunity to embrace our full potential and become the best version of ourselves. By harnessing the power of morning rituals, we can transform our lives, ignite our passions, and achieve greatness. In the next few moments, I will unveil a series of empowering practices that, when integrated into your morning routine, will set the stage for a truly remarkable day and an even better you. 1. Gratitude and mindfulness. The first step in crafting a morning routine that sets the tone for personal growth is to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and mindfulness. As you awaken each day, take a few moments to express gratitude for the gift of life and the opportunities that lie ahead. Focus on the present moment, practicing mindfulness by observing your breath, thoughts, and sensations without judgment. This gentle awareness will ground you and foster a positive mindset, allowing you to approach the day with clarity and intention. 2. Physical well-being. Next, let us turn our attention to the vital aspect of physical well-being. Engaging in regular exercise and nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods are essential components of a successful morning routine. Begin your day with a burst of energy by engaging in activities that elevate your heart rate and strengthen your body. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a quick workout, physical activity will not only invigorate you, but also improve your overall health and mental well-being. Following your exercise routine, fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Embrace the nourishing power of whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. By prioritizing your physical well-being, you provide yourself with the energy and vitality necessary to tackle the challenges that await you throughout the day. 3. Mental stimulation and growth. To truly become a better version of yourself, it is crucial to stimulate your mind and foster personal growth each morning. Dedicate a portion of your morning routine to expanding your knowledge and nurturing your intellect. Read books or articles that inspire you, expose yourself to new ideas and perspectives, and engage in activities that promote mental agility, such as puzzles or learning a new language. Moreover, consider incorporating meditation into your morning ritual. This powerful practice cultivates a sense of inner peace and clarity, enabling you to approach your daily tasks with focus and serenity. Meditation also enhances self-awareness, allowing you to identify and overcome limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns, ultimately empowering you to pursue your goals and dreams. 4. Goal setting and visualization. The final element of a transformative morning routine lies in the act of setting goals and visualizing your success. Begin each day by defining your objectives and breaking them down into actionable steps. By setting clear intentions, you provide yourself with a roadmap for the day, aligning your actions with your long-term aspirations. Accompany your goal. Setting practice with visualization, a powerful tool to manifest your desires. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself accomplishing your goals, experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with your achievements. Visualizing success not only boosts your confidence and motivation, but also helps you overcome obstacles by instilling a strong belief in your capabilities. 5. Creative expression and inspiration. In our quest for personal growth, it is essential to tap into our creative potential and seek inspiration each morning. Dedicate time to engage in activities that ignite your imagination and allow your creativity to flow freely. This could involve writing in a journal, sketching, painting, or engaging in any form of artistic expression that resonates with you. By nurturing your creativity, you unleash your unique voice and explore new avenues of self-expression. This creative energy will infuse your day with passion, innovation, and a renewed sense of purpose. Additionally, surround yourself with sources of inspiration. Seek out uplifting and motivational content, whether it's reading inspiring quotes, listening to podcasts, or watching educational videos. Choose to immerse yourself in an environment that nurtures positivity and fuels your aspirations. By feeding your mind with inspiring ideas and stories, you create a fertile ground for personal growth and innovation. 6. Self-care and emotional well-being. In the pursuit of becoming a better version of yourself, it is vital to prioritize self-care and emotional well-being. Incorporate practices into your morning routine that nurture your inner self and promote emotional balance. This may include engaging in mindfulness exercises, practicing deep breathing techniques, or engaging in self-reflection through journaling. Furthermore, indulge in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Take a few moments to savor a cup of tea or coffee, listen to soothing music, or engage in a soothing morning ritual such as a warm bath or stretching. These moments of self-care allow you to recharge, rejuvenate, and approach the day with a calm and centered mindset. 7. Connection and contribution. As human beings, our connections with others and our contributions to the world around us play a crucial role in our personal growth and fulfillment. Make it a priority to foster meaningful connections and contribute to the well-being of others each morning. Start by reaching out to loved ones. Send a heartfelt message, make a phone call, or spend quality time with family and friends. Nurturing these relationships enhances your sense of belonging and supports your personal growth journey. Moreover, seek opportunities to contribute to the world in a positive way. This could involve engaging in acts of kindness, volunteering for a cause you believe in, or simply offering a helping hand to someone in need. By contributing to the well-being of others, you not only make a difference in their lives, but also experience a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose within yourself. 8. Morning affirmations and empowering mantras. Morning affirmations and empowering mantras have the potential to shape your mindset, boost your confidence, and set the tone for a successful day. By integrating these practices into your morning routine, you harness the power of positive self-talk and align your thoughts with your desired outcomes. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and reflect the beliefs you wish to reinforce. Repeat them to yourself with conviction, embracing the emotions and sensations associated with their truth. For example, you may say, "I am capable of achieving greatness. I trust in my abilities and take inspired action towards my goals." In addition to affirmations, incorporate empowering mantras that inspire and motivate you. These can be short phrases or sentences that encapsulate your values and aspirations. Repeat them as a mantra, allowing the words to energize and propel you forward. For instance, you may use a mantra such as "I am unstoppable. I embrace challenges and grow stronger with each step." The combination of morning affirmations and empowering mantras creates a powerful mindset shift, instilling confidence, resilience, and a positive outlook. They serve as reminders of your inner strength and your ability to overcome obstacles on your personal growth journey. In summary, by incorporating practices that embrace creativity, self-care, and connection, you elevate your morning routine to new heights. These additional components of your morning ritual, creative expression, self-care, and connection, further enhance your personal growth journey and contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, each morning is an opportunity to embark on a path of self-discovery, transformation, and becoming the best version of yourself. Embrace these practices with intention and commitment, and witness the incredible impact they have on your life. The power to shape your future begins with the choices you make each morning. I encourage you to take what you've learned today and implement it into your daily life. Start tomorrow morning with intention, purpose, and a commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. You have the power to shape your life and create a future filled with joy, success, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this journey of exploring the transformative potential of a morning routine. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and stay connected for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. Now go out there and embrace the magic of your mornings. You have the power to make each day extraordinary. Remember, it all starts with your morning routine.